Do you like margaritas?
But you got to go to work tomorrow.
We're making shots. It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
And we're making mini margaritas. Let's get started on our mini margaritas. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shot glasses and we're going to salt the rims. To salt the rim, you could do something very simple. Add a little lime juice to a plate. Swirl it around in there. Make sure the lime juice is on it. And then you salt the shot glass. Do it to the other one. There you go. Now we're going to take our ingredients. We're going to mix everything up. First, add some little bit of ice as I drop stuff. I'm going to need that. Okay. We're going to add a little bit of ice because we want to chill down the drink a little bit. We're going to get 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce per person. We're going to do 1 full ounce of triple sec, so half an ounce per person. We're going to do half an ounce of lime juice because we have a little bit of a concentrated lime juice today. So we'll do half an ounce of that. And as an optional step, if you want yours a little sweeter more than sour, just going to add like a bar spoon of agave syrup. It's optional, personal preference. And here we have our mini margaritas.
Let's see how these margaritas hit. Cheers.
Cheers. We shooting this or just sipping? All right, shoot it. Ooh, that was nice. That agave really did it. Yeah, I like that. Make sure you subscribe so you can catch all future episodes that we got going on in Brew Bros.
We're on the road to 20 subscribers.
20 subscribers. You could be a subscriber.
We only need 3. And on that note, everybody,
leave a comment if you try this out. Peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
3, 2, 1. You like margaritas?
Your
boy Joey?
And your boy Kareem. Let's do it again.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Because I was like...
What's up, buddy? What's up? Yeah. Your breath smells.
So it's yours.
I was like, but. Wait, mine or the dog?